Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve and discuss with you about direct and inverse proportion. Proportion means variation. There are two types of variation: direct variation and inverse variation. First of all, first term is variation. If two quantities are dependent on each other, if the two quantities are dependent on each other, such as one increase, other increase, and one decrease, other decrease, or one increase, other decrease, or one decrease, other increase, they are called in variation. There are two types of variation: direct variation and inverse variation. In direct variation, if one quantity increase, then other also increase, or one quantity is decrease, then other quantity is also decrease, there is known as direct variation. In direct variation, the ratio of two quantities are constant. Students, some examples: if the cost of 10 pen is 20 rupees, if the cost of 10 pen is 20 rupees, then the cost of 1 pen is 20 by 10, 2 rupees, right? So then the cost of 20 pen is 2 into 20, 2 into 20 by 10 into 20. So 20 to the 40. Here the number of pen increase, cost also increase. Number of pen decrease, cost also decrease. So we have to learn here direct variation. First of all, we study here direct variation or direct proportion. Same term, direct variation. Direct variation. If x and y, if x and y, if x and y are in direct variation, abbreviation of direct variation is dv. If x and y are in direct variation, then x by y equal to constant. In direct variation, the constant of two quantities are, the ratio of two quantities are constant. So x by y, x is to y is k is constant. That implies, suppose x1 change into x1 and y change into y1, x change into x2 and y change into y2. So x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2 equal to constant also. Second, first direct variation. Second, inverse variation. Inverse variation. Abbreviation of inverse variation is IV. Student, two quantities are said to be in inverse variation if one increase, other decrease, or one decrease, other increase. There is known as inverse variation. It is called inverse variation. So, if x and y are in inverse variation, if x and y are in inverse variation, then x into y equal to k. In inverse variation, the product of two quantities are constant. That implies if x change into x1 and y change into y1, again x change into x2 and y change into y2. So x1 into y1 equal to x2 into y2 equal to constant also. Understand and write it. Students, now I shall discuss some examples of exercise 12A. Example number 3. A car covers 432 kilometers in 36 liters of petrol. A car covers 432 kilometers in 36 liters of petrol. How much distance would it cover in 25 liters of petrol? Here two terms, one distance and other quantity of petrol. So first column, write distance. Distance, unit of distance is in kilometer. And second column, petrol. Petrol in liter. First two box and second two box. Draw two column and 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a method. Solve this type of problems, this type of examples, these types of questions. So distance in kilometer 432. Petrol in liter 36. Now how much distance? So let the x kilometer. Suppose would it cover in 25 liters of petrol? More petrol, more distance cover. Less petrol, less distance of cover. Here, clear. One increase, other increase. One decrease, other decrease. This phenomenon are in direct variation. So it is in dV by dV. dV means direct variation. By direct variation, in direct variation, ratio of two quantities are constant. So 432 by 36 equal to xy 25. Now by cross multiplication, x into 36 equal to 432 into 25. Next step is that implies x equal to 432 into 25 by 36. 36 here multiply by transposition change into divide. 36 4 time or 9 time also. 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 3 plus 6 9 9 time. 9 4 जा 36. 9 4 जा 36. 43 minus 36. 43 minus 36. 7. 72. 9 8 जा 72. Now cancel. 12 4 जा 48. So 25 multiplied by 12. 25 multiplied by 12. 25 to the 50 and 25 on the 25. 0 5 plus 5 10 of 0 2 plus 1 3 equal to 300 kilometer distance. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number example 5. If the weight of 9 sheets thick paper, if the weight of 9 sheets thick paper is 36 grams, how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 1 whole 1 by 4 kg? So 1 whole 1 by 4 kg. Change it into gram. So 1 whole 1 4 ja 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4. Change into gram. So kg multiply by 1000. Change into grams. Multiply. Sorry. 1000 divided by 4 by 250. Now 250 multiplied by 5. 125 and 0. 1250 grams. Two terms here. One is weight and other is number of sheets. So in first column write number of sheets. Number of sheets. And second column write weight. Weight in grams. Weight in grams. So number of sheets is 9. Its weight 30 gram. How many sheets? So let the number of required sheets be x. And weight, it weight 1 whole 1 by 4 kg. That means 1250 gram. It is also in direct variation. So by direct variation. By direct variation, 9 by 30 equal to x by 1250. By cross multiplication, 30 into x equal to 9 into 1250. That implies x equal to, here 30 multiplied by transposition, it is changed into divide. So now x equal to 9 into 1250 by 30. So 0 to 0 cancel. Now 3 3 is 9. So 125 multiplied by 3. 375 gram. Understand and write it. Sorry. 375 sheets. Answer. Students, next and last example of example 8. The scale of a map is 1:3 into 10 to the power 7. Two cities are 5 cm apart on the map. Find the actual distance between them in kilometer. Students, here two terms, distance on map and actual distance. For write first in first column, distance on map. Distance on map in centimeter. And in second column, actual distance. Actual distance in centimeter. Here, distance on map 1 and actual distance equal to 3 into 10 to the power 7. And distance on map is 5 cm. So actual distance is x. By direct variation, by dv, ratios are constant. So 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 7 equal to 5 by x. That implies by cross multiplication 1 into x equal to 5 into 3 into 10 to the power 7. That implies 1 into x, x equal to 5 3 is 15 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter. 15 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter. Now it's changed into kilometer. So centimeter divided by 100 change into meter, and meter divided by 1000 now change into kilometer, equal to 15 into 10 to the power 7 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 0 on 1. Now 100 into 1000 3 0, now 2 0 equal to 1500 kilometer answer. Now today homework is solve example. Students, today your homework is solve examples of exercise 12A. Thank you. That's all.